Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're working with Tailwind CSS, you might have noticed how messy the classes can get when you're writing them. Today, I'm going to show you a great extension called Tailwind Fold that helps you keep your code clean and organized. What is Tailwind Fold? Tailwind Fold is a Visual Studio Code extension that folds Tailwind CSS classes, making your code cleaner and easier to read. How to install Tailwind Fold? Let's start by installing the Tailwind Fold extension. Open VSCode, go to the extension section, search for Tailwind Fold and install it. Usage example. Now, let's see how it works. I'm writing some basic Tailwind CSS classes, and notice how the extension folds the classes, making the code much more organized. Tailwind Fold groups the classes, making your code more readable and easier to manage. You'll find it really helpful when writing code. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video if you think it can help others.